me ask you something. Are you playing the corporate game, trying to get ahead, struggling every day, missing family time every day? Stop doing that. You're one step away from being broke. I was laid off 3 different times. Every time I had to start over. Don't put yourself through that. If you're settling for one income stream, you're one step away of being broke. Start that second income stream today. Prepare yourself for the future. Prepare yourself for anything. You want to learn how you can get started from home, working a full-time job, and get your second stream of income going in, so you don't ever have to worry about what corporate ladder says you got to do. Like and follow this video. Follow the link in my bio. Join my private group, and you'll get all the information you need to get started on your second stream of income from your home, so you can spend time with your family. We'll talk to you later.